Hey there YouTube, David here from Clark Family Orchards, and I'm just doing a little unboxing of a custom sampler from Bautista Family Organic Date Ranch. They have the website 7hotdates.com. I've never ordered from them before, but I got a box in today, so I want to show you. Alright, so here's the box. It's pretty hefty. I can't remember how many pounds exactly it is, but it's hefty. Alright, I already cut the tape around the edges so that I could easily open it. I think I got two varieties. Yeah, two different varieties. And I'm gonna look, oh, holy cow, this is a lot. Alright, I can already tell this one's gonna be good. I don't know what it is. That's a good one. Alright, so looking at my emailed receipt, I got two different varieties. I got an 11-pound box, wet, fresh organic dates. One was called Kadrawi, I think, and one is with a K, and one is called Halawi. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing those right, but I don't know which one's which. I'll have to look online and see which color date goes with which one, but my goodness, they are good. So the one that's actually lighter in color on this side here actually seems to be a little sweeter to me. I might get myself in trouble with these. Meaning I might be eating these like all day. Hopefully not. Wow. Really, really tasty. Yeah, if I can find out what the lighter color one is, I prefer that one. Looks like some of the lighter colored ones made it into the darker section. But yeah, I'm gonna look up the two pictures of the two dates and let you guys know which one's which. All right, so I just looked it up. Google told me that Kadrawi dates are mahogany in color, have a mild fig-like taste, and Halawi dates are lighter in color and have a more caramel flavor and a and so yeah, Kadrawi, Halawi. I would get these again in an instant, and I would probably get the whole box of those, but it's good to go between the two and just taste the subtle differences. Very good. I guess it's not the season for medjool dates yet, so there was one other variety, Deglet Nor, which I've had in the stores, and I wasn't too impressed with it. And maybe it's because they were like dried and not very fresh. But but I thought I would skip that variety just because I had already tasted it. So two very good varieties. I'll write down the spelling of each in the video. So anyway, I definitely recommend Bautista Family Organic Date Ranch from Mecca, California, and the 7 Hot Dates website. All right, had to add something after I've been munching for a little bit. The Kadrawi dates definitely have a fig-like taste, and the Halawi dates definitely have more of like a honey or a caramel taste to them. I much prefer these, but like I said before, it's nice to go back and forth and kind of just taste the differences. But these ones are sweeter and, in my opinion, better tasting. All right, guys, peace.